Right, I want to do a quick video here in Low Bradfield, and I want to film this laurel. Now, laurel is usually grown as a hedge, and therefore it's usually trimmed every year, maybe at least once a year, 2 or 3 times possibly. And I find it quite a boring plant, but if I was ever to have one and plant one, I would grow it like this. I wouldn't trim it back, because then you get these wonderful spikes of flowers. And just look at the bees. It's just, hopefully you can hear the buzz. All sorts of insects, bees, a few early flies. Just such a good plant for wildlife. But most people have it as a hedge, so they don't ever see this wildlife. So this is the way I grow it. I grow it on the boundary of a garden to use it as a windbreak, ideally on the kind of northern side, to protect you from some northern or easterly winds, so that you have the benefit of the sunny side, the south facing side, which is obviously going to have more bees on it and insects of all kinds. I mean, the flowers are, I don't mind the scent. It's more of a stench than a scent. It's not, you wouldn't want to make a perfume out of it, but it's, it's quite fine. Another plant that does the same, but later on, come July time, is privet. Again, most people grow privet as a hedge, but if you let it grow and let it flower, it's just amazing how many insects it attracts. And the scent is actually very similar to the laurel here. Let's just try zooming in. Just amazing. So yes, I would have this plant, but for a particular specific purpose. You might be able to see how many bees there are if I stand like that. Actually, this is probably one of those times when I might have been better to hold my camera in a vertical format rather than horizontal format, but there you go. I hope you can get some idea of how valuable this plant can be for insects. Stand back a bit. Okay, bye for now.